It looks like a healthy breakfast, a slice of whole wheat toast in a hot cup of coffee. You think you are starting your day right, but inside your body, this breakfast is triggering a chemical war. You're dumping acid rain directly onto your skeleton. Your blood must stay neutral to keep you alive. So when you eat acidic foods, your body panics. It needs a fire extinguisher immediately. And where does it find the minerals to put out the fire? It steals calcium from your hip bones. It dissolves your own structure to survive the morning. You are literally paying for your coffee with your femur. But you don't have to starve. You just need to swap the acids for alkalines. Today, I will show you the 3 acid bombs hiding in your kitchen and the simple swaps to stop the robbery instantly. To understand the robbery, you must know the rule of 7.4. Your blood is not water. It is a strictly controlled chemical solution. On the pH scale, 0 is acid and 14 is alkaline. Your blood must stay exactly at 7.4 to keep you alive and conscious. If your blood drops just slightly to 7.3, you would fall into a coma. Your body will do anything to prevent this drop. Now look at your toast. Wheat and grains are acid formers. When you digest them, they create sulfuric acid waste in the system. To neutralize that acid, your body needs a base. And the biggest storage of base minerals is your skeleton. So the body dissolves your hip bone to save your blood. You lose bone density just to process your morning toast. I know what you are thinking. Do I have to give up bread forever? The answer is no. You just need to change the type of grain. Modern white bread is a sugar bomb that turns acidic instantly. But sourdough bread is different. It is fermented. The fermentation process pre-digests the gluten and lowers the acid load. It is the only bread that doesn't steal from your bones. Now, for the coffee. You don't have to quit it. You just need to neutralize the acid before you drink it. Add a tiny pinch of baking soda or cardamom to the grounds. This creates an alkaline reaction that cancels the burn. It tastes smoother, your stomach won't hurt, and, most importantly, your hip bones stay safe. If you refuse to change your bread, you must build a buffer. You need to eat something highly alkaline with the toast. The cheapest buffer in the world is cucumber. It is 96% alkaline water. Just 2 slices neutralize the acid of 1 slice of toast. But the most powerful weapon is actually a yellow fruit. And this confuses everyone. The lemon. You might say, but lemon is acidic. Yes, it is acidic on your tongue, but inside your body, it transforms. When digested, lemon leaves behind an alkaline ash. It is chemically the most powerful bone saver in your fridge. The trick is timing. Drink warm lemon water 15 minutes before your coffee. You are pre-coating your bones with armor. You now have the morning shield, sorrel seed, baking soda, and lemon. You have stopped the morning robbery, but the war isn't over at noon. Most seniors protect their bones at breakfast, but accidentally destroy them at dinner. There is a specific group of healthy vegetables that act like magnets. They lock onto calcium and flush it out of your body. If you eat spinach or chard the wrong way, your lemon water was useless. You're starving your skeleton while you sleep. I've identified the 5 worst dinner foods that dissolve bone density. You need to know which ones they are immediately. Click this video on your screen right now to see the list. Do not eat dinner until you watch this.